You want to learn Flutter and you have questions like what is state management, what is the context, how to use Firebase or null safety. So whether you want to do it by yourself or step by step with me, I will tell you how to learn Flutter in 10 steps. The 0 to Hero Flutter course is created on this 10 modules structure. First, we need to install Flutter. Then we will learn all the basic widgets, and I will give you my formula to debug any code by yourself. In the module 4, we learn more advanced widget. Then I will show you how to use packages, like how to use the camera or get image from the library. After this, we will learn about state management with provider. It will be the easiest explanation you will have ever seen. We will build the task app with the provider and we will store all the data inside the phone. And for the local storage, we will use Hive. In the module 9, we will create the Fire Chat app with Firebase. We will use the storage, the authentication, and the database. After, we will jump into HTTP request with an API and learn how to create this finance stock application. I will also give you my step-by-step process to release an application on iOS and Android. You will have a lifetime access to this course and you will be able to join a private Discord group where I can answer your questions. And if you really want to learn Flutter, I will start the 1st January, a 6-week challenge. We will complete the entire Flutter course together and we will have weekly group calls. So whether you want to join the 6-week challenge starting the 1st January or you want to have the lifetime access to the course, you can go on fluttermap.com or click the link in the description to have more information and enroll in the course. Thank you for watching and I see you in the next video.